subscribe, hit the alarm bell, all that stuff. Leave a comment. I'd like to hear from you.
I kind of need a screwdriver to take these apart. They're just old and worn out, I think. I know, actually, they just might be too short because I think that's all I had. I think they are stainless, though. I think I can get that out of there.
Yeah.
I expect a video out of this. Monetized. This is what the kids want to see these days. Gosh, that's a heck of a that's really in there. Jeez.
There's a man behind it. You know what I always do? I take the needle nose and I stick it in the hole like a... And now you tap the needle nose with the hammer.
Well, I knew this should be looser than that. Ugh. Can I turn this thing? Man, I really had a bad angle to do this. Wrong tool for the job. Come on. There we go. All right, let's do it. Take the old cracked ball peen here. Learn something new every day. All right, let's slide them off. See what's going on. Oh, there's one. All right, so this thing is bent really well. I don't know if I can get it out. I think that I had problems trying to get that out. So that's what we gotta deal with.
Well, it looks like it's gotta go that way.
Yeah, I probably had these straps off. Yeah, because this one's got 3 new screws and 3 new rivets in it. That you gave me probably. Like it's wedged now. It's really hard. And I don't even think these straps, it's not the straps, it's the tube that's in there.
Right, so like you kind of need to maybe try to straighten it maybe. But it does look like the bent part is mostly on this side.
Right, it looks that way, but...
Turn it and let's see it.
But you know what else?
I think it's going to come out this way.
You know what else? The hole in the mast, it's not like perpendicular to the mast.
Yeah, I know. Okay. I think we'll be all right though. Let me get you a punch.
Yeah. So here we have the new version from SJ21 Sailboats, Steve and Jensen. Here's the old ones. Smaller, but the hole is in the right spot. This hole. Perfect. Any way you slice it. There were threaded on there, but they snapped off.
Oh, oh, oh.
Too short.
All right. You only. Oh, now this is the thing that you could use for your rudder, right?
Yeah, but plastic's better.
Okay. Here's the piece.
A little shorter.
Action.
You can see a little bit of, I don't know, nothing. Yeah, so I was gonna tap this in a little bit, but it's pretty much already there. Yep. I mean, it's coming out the other side already, so.
Yeah, going through both sides. This one fits way better than the replacement. This one was about an 1/8 too short.
Okay, so now we're
From
gonna.
our supplier, who we're not gonna name.
All right, so we're gonna just put this through here. Well, does it matter which side the nut is on? I guess it doesn't really matter, does it? Rivet that later, right, Paul?
I think you should at least stick one rivet in the hole before you commit to anything.
It's all adjustable.
Yeah. Well, you know, you can just make sure that it's all lining up before you tighten it up, you know. And now you got some. Yeah. Now go ahead and. What do we got to do? Tighten it up?
Tighten it up, really.
You need your thing. That's this. You need your riveter.
I need my riveter and I need some tools for this.
How about I go get my riveter?
I
can go get my riveter.
Pause.
Yep. You can't find yours, right?
Well,
I know exactly where mine's at.
Should be able to find it.
Okay, so we've attached the nut onto the bolt that goes all the way through.
I left it a little loose so that we could turn them.
Where do you want to have the screws? Do you want to have the screws pointed up or pointed down?
They're pointing down right now.
Mm-hmm.
So
if it's pointed down, is that in your way, or you can be able to get a screwdriver in there because of these tabs?
yeah. It's Phillips head.
Right, well, can you? You want to test that and make sure you got it where you want it?
I'm not worried. I need a Phillips head.
I don't have one. Okay. Do I need to go get you a tool?
No, you're fine. I'll find one. Just Amazon one over. So anyway, that's gonna go in there.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're gonna do the other one.
Sweet.
Let me drill this hole out,
Mm-hmm.
which is the original hole here. I added that hole because I had to add new cut. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
Should slide right on. That's the. You're on the cable. You're on the outer.
Mm-hmm.
Is the outer or the upper? I might call it innie or the outie.
Upper.
So I guess I just need to find some tools. It would be easier with tools.
Yeah, it's easier with tools.
I like my fingers though. God gave you fingers for a reason. Use them. Oh, so what do we want to put on here? Retaining compound or anti-seize? I vote for retaining compound
Okay.
to keep these from backing out due to vibration, because it's going to get a lot of vibration. Probably low frequency.
It's got a lock nut on it though, doesn't it?
No, that's the cross pin. These
Oh, you're talking about
threaded
those things.
into
Okay.
the aluminum slugs.
What is going on here?
Didn't even crimp it. Okay, so we figured it out. This has an adjustment. And you can kind of see it right there, I think. Like if you put this in, it catches, you can kind of see like a, well, I don't know. It's good where it was.
Is it gonna work?
It's gonna work. And if it doesn't work,
you got some tension. You feel tension on it?
Yeah, not much though. Actually, it's a little bit easier now. I have more leverage. Before it was catching up too high, and I didn't have the leverage to pop them.
Don't dump them out. Let them go into the catch reservoir.
Oh yeah, whatever. I'm so used to letting them dump out. We could put that one in there.
All right.
Solid as a rock.
So now you need your Phillips.
This thing here. Oh, where's my retaining compound? I need to get that. Uh-oh. Missing a dog.
It really is crooked, isn't it?
Oh. What'd you do to me? Yeah. Maybe?
You got it.
Oh, that's plenty on there.
Probably does.
No, we don't have it. They were so easy to thread before.
Take it off. Make sure the hole's good.
Man, how'd that get so tight?
Yeah, the hole's good. I guess you gotta have the hole pointing straight down in order for your spreaders to be in the right position. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's right. That's it. That's.
And you got locker on it.
Yeah, look, it doesn't even tight. It has to tighten it down against the cross bolt actually, because those holes go through the slugs.
Yep, that's how mine is. The screw doesn't go all the way down.
Ugh. Shit. I hope I didn't mess it up.
I doubt it.
There it goes. Now. I think this one's threading into the threads. Okay. Well, that's fixed.
My land, my own, my love, my land, my own, my love. Love you, love you, love you, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yo, you don't know how much I miss home. Originally. Sometimes I feel when I'm alone, I feel emotionally. You know I miss you, how much I love you. I want to see you. Oh, Gary. Magnet too. Yeah. Hand grenade on. Yeah. Whoa, no, yeah. Oh, Lord. No, Dad. Even though I'm far away, physically, I mean I feel you every day, spiritually, it's a deeper connection, say you and I are one, yeah, you and I are one, a land where I was born.